Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Black River at Elyria from this evening until further notice at 8 p.m. Monday. The stage was 8.6 feet. Minor flooding. Its forecast flood stage is 9.5 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by tonight and continue to rise to near 10.9 feet by Tuesday morning. At 11.0 feet, flooding begins in low-lying areas near the river in Elyria. Forge Road may be closed for high water. Flooding begins in low-lying areas near the river in Elyria. Forge Road may be closed for high water.